Assalamualaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I watch you some colorful fish and they're looking good activities. They're playing well. The beautiful place, a beautiful fish are playing well. Mashallah, looking good. This mind-blowing scenery here. Create this one. Go, try fast, heart and soul. Looking good. Playing well. They're playing well. This beautiful scenery. Create here. Whoa, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, mashallah, mashallah. Playing well. The beautiful scenery here. Create here. This wonderful, wonderful fish are playing here. Wow, wow. I want to catch one. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Playing. Mashallah, mashallah. Looking good. Excellent, excellent. Wow. I want to watch you. This one. Wow. This is beautiful scenery. This beautiful scenery. Create here. Mashallah, mashallah. Beautiful. Wow, looking good. Mashallah, mashallah. They're playing well. They're playing well. This is wonderful scenery. Create here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beautiful fish are playing here. Oh, they're playing. Quiet. Mashallah, mashallah. They're playing. Wow, looking good. Looking good. Oh, excellent. Excellent. Oh, it's cool. Right. So, oh, here's come back again. Come back again. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. I'm playing well, spontaneously. Ooh, so healthy, so healthy. Beautiful scenery. Create here. Mashallah, mashallah. Looking good. Playing well. I want to watch you. I want to watch you. This one. Oh, this is looking good. Playing well. Mashallah, mashallah. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on. Oh, yes. Oh, go from here. Looking good. Playing well. Beautiful scenery. I hope you enjoy the video. See you next video. Allah, start. Bye.